Hello guys, today I'll be showing you something different like every day, but this one is serious. And I put YouTube, you'll see there, I changed everything. I changed my logo. Before I had that creepypasta logo, now I had this. I use some of this. I use some of this to make my logos. Yeah, for example, this. Yeah, I don't use this. I use okay, I'm gonna let it say. It's not gonna be it, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. Yeah, it's you see the update there. You need to, if you want like kid, you can change you can change your username, your I don't really care now. You can change your name. Before I had him Snowflake. Now it's Mike the Roblox Gamer. Mike the Roblox Gamer. And or is it? I don't really see it right now. Let's see it right now. That's a lot of videos. Alright, that's a lot of videos for one subscriber. Yeah, so yeah, you see now when you update, show you how I change my user. I use the creep. Yeah, you can change it probably. Go over here. For example, I'm gonna make I'm gonna put it like that, but why less? I'm gonna put Alex now. I'm not really used to put Alex and okay. So for a while. And yeah, it's a new update for me. And I changed it to Alex. I don't have that picture anymore. I have Alex now. I'm gonna tell all my friends to check that my new update. I'm gonna say check my logo and my banner. And not this. I don't wanna Albert's mom. Okay, back to funny business. Yeah. Shoot. If you're curious what I'm drinking tea. Not really, I'm drinking shrimp. But she's my new boy. It's my brother-in-law. Childish wannabes. These are wannabes. With the queen. So boy. Yeah. Join this game, whatever. Oh my god. Oh. It's like 1 in the morning right now. I'm right. That's why I'm so look like depressed. Ooh, for Dora. Okay. It's 2 in the morning. Tired, but I'm not gonna. Oh, come on. I can't because I need Robux for this. I don't really like spending Robux. At the same time, I don't have Robux. And let's play another game. Yay! Playing Obby. Yeah. I do read comics. I love them. Obby in the hell now. Skip the McDonald Obby, okay. It's gonna take a while with the Obbies. I'm the worst one at the Obbies. Chicken so easily. No, thank you. Sorry. If you see, I changed a bit. I don't really change anything about my character. Oh, I thought. Ooh, there's a guest. Yes. The guys got the best. So the test, set a pro, the best. So got a new logo on my t-shirt in a row. Tie in the t-shirt. Haters, get a guess. Bring the big gets back like it don't he does. Yo, so get my mo. Yeah, we can. Finally, we can find. Hey, the chips. I don't know. I'm not to play that. Does it say? Oh, admin. Admin. Right. Yeah. I love this. I love the update. I have 13 subscribers. Before I have when I did this, Believer, the one, somebody disliked. I never had a dislike, but I don't really care. Okay, we could play it. Sure. Yeah, nothing bad. I'm not gonna do a face reveal soon. Not even at my friend's reveal. The fudge? Gonna put commands. Gonna put doesn't make clean. Doesn't make Geary. Oh, come on, this is lame. I want Geary. Oh, it's horrifying. What say? Are you there? Oh, wait. Oh, that looks creepy. Okay, but I'm gonna, once I did that, so one of my friends who know my channel, shout out to him. There's a lot of people who know my channel. Hey, man, me check. Okay, my channel. It must no like there's an update dude. Oh, come on. Check. My chat. No. There's an update. There, we got it. Now let's play game. Oh wait, think. Gonna gear me. I'm gonna see. I don't really know all the gears, so yeah. Gear. Okay. Oh no! I know what I want now. It's almost end of the video, yeah, but I'm gonna do this quickly. I'm gonna copy that. Trophy. Oh, come on to give me. Oh, come on, but okay, it's almost the end of the video, but I'm gonna do this the last time. So I'm gonna just take it away. I'm gonna take there. Oh wait, true. Gear me. Oh wait. Gear me. So, oh, come on. But I'm gonna use something else. This is the last, yeah, I think this is almost the end of the video. So yeah, like, subscribe. Yeah, sure, yeah. Check out my new logo. Update, yeah. Yeah, it's it's gonna be all for today, and I'm gonna do this quickly. Hear me. Oh wait, hear me. Oh shoot. Hear me. I'm gonna do this quick. Oh, I almost had it. I do have it, but I don't know where is it. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the video. And this bot, he's like the yeah, he's just there. Should dare kill me. Oh, thank God. But okay, yeah. Peace.